Recently, I made a video about emergency travel certificates that can be used in lieu of a passport if you're traveling to Jamaica. Someone contacted me this week to ask if they can get a document like that to go to a job in Europe. The emergency travel document is generally issued to Jamaicans to go to Jamaica because it's a document your government will accept. When I worked for the consulate, maybe once or twice in 10 years, I saw that document issued for a country other than Jamaica. So, a word to the wise: check your passport. Make sure it's not expired. Do not wait until the last minute before you take care of it. And I know we're all manifesting travels and we're manifesting everything. So you have to be ready for the things you manifest. If it's travel you've manifested, then don't wait until the trip comes to have a valid passport. As the saying goes, you have to dress for the job you want. You have to be ready with a passport so you can travel. If you have no valid passport, the universe is not going to send you that blessing of the trip that you're hoping for because you're not prepared, you're not ready for it. But anyway, that's an additional word to the wise. But the main point here is check your passport, make sure it's valid. If you've lost it, do not wait 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years just because you think you're not going to travel, because a passport is good for more than just travel. It's a major piece of ID that you should always have current. Again, share this video with someone who needs to check their passport because so many of us passport have been expired and we don't even realize it. I'm Gail. Thanks for watching.